So now we're entering the gate, guys. So yeah. Hello.
Hello
Thanks. Thank you. Have a good one. And we are in the beautiful space of Dunn's River Falls and Park. So it's they close at 4. So the intention for me now is to go in, undress, enjoy some water, and get food. I don't know about you, but I am big on my food. Okay, thank you. So here we go. Dunn's River Falls. Yeah. So yeah, food. Here we go. And there we go, guys. Yeah. This is the perfect day for some water. It's warm today. Oh, hold up. That's a guinea tree, you know. You guys may not know, but there's fruit on that tree. Really nice. My mommy always say when you're giving a baby guineps, you're supposed to crack the seed so it don't slip to the throat. So yeah, I'm hoping it's sweet. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. You want your souvenirs to take back? They're all here. Yeah. All here. Want to go and play under the sprinklers? Yeah. Ooh, that looks like a lot of fun. Tons and tons and tons of fun. Yeah. Yeah. So yes, guys. Here we go. Yeah. Tons here. Over there are the different snack stalls where you can get your different snacks, coffee, I think patties as well. Yeah, so you name it, they have it. So honey, question for you. You were gonna get some food up here? Here we go, guys. We're going. Oh yeah. So when you're exiting, you exit on that side over there. Yeah. All right. We can take a look over here and see what's going on. I think this is where you do the climb, come up. Ooh. Yes, guys. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Whoa. All that nice climb. Yeah. So once you get there, you see that congrats sign. It means that you have done it, guys. You have successfully come up the climb. See? Beautiful, guys. Whew, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so guys, we're gonna check to see if we can get some patties. Here in Jamaica, yeah, we're big on tasty patties. If you don't have tasty patty, you've not been here. And yeah, patties here, guys. You can smell the patties. Whew. I'm gonna be enjoying this. Guys, I'm having me a patty now, so it's time to get the locker, go down, change over and enjoy. I think you have to come back up here to pack the stuff away. I hope not. Hello. You have lockers down at the bottom, yes? Yes. All right, no problem. So yes, guys, you cannot sit or lean on these areas. That's what they're saying. So when you're coming down, try not to sit or lean on it. The lockers down here, they close off at 3. So I'm trying to get down here to purchase a locker. That way I don't have to come all the way up here to get the locker up here, because then I would have to change down there, come up here, drop the stuff off up here, and then go back down again to do the climb. And look at the climb over here, guys. Isn't this amazing? Climb is beautiful. Look at that. So we're here. I am going to go inside the water right now and have some fun, so I need to change. But I want you guys to see what's going on, okay? Take a look. This is it, y'all. It's a beautiful day at the beach here at Dunn's River Falls. So yes, guys, yes. Lovely. So I've just packed away some stuff in the locker. So I'm gonna dress now and finish. So when you're here, guys, you have lockers all around. You have lockers at the bottom. So you know, all right, then if I'm here with a lot of stuff, you have the bigger lockers here for your stuff. And if it's not much, you have small lockers straight ahead there. There you can purchase over at the locker rental area. And to my surprise, when you purchase these, give you a receipt and tell you to take it back to the very front where you got the wristband, and you get some cash back. So even though you're paying, I paid 1,160 Jamaican dollars, and I am gonna get around $450 back from what I paid. So it's not bad. All right, so come down, take your stuff. You don't have to be stressing, you know, and enjoy. All right, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go and enjoy. So yes, I'm about to go and do the waters now. So listen, I'm gonna go out there, enjoy all of that, and then I'll come back to my lovely place. All right, so I have to cut it now, but I love you. Mwah. Take a look and see what's going on.